Hi, my name is Anne and you're watching Apotheca Borealis. Right now I am halfway through doing a skin booster treatment with Miracle L. Now this is Miracle L. My hand's shaking right now. I've just injected this portion of my face and it was a lot more painful than I expected. So I wanted to take a little break while I put some numbing cream on this side of my face and proceed to do the second half of this treatment. Okay. Now I've already done this side of my face, as you can see, and I'm gonna do a treatment in this area right here because this is where I've noticed the most collagen loss in my face over the last 4 years. All right, so I've cleaned my hands before, so I'm not gonna put on gloves until I do the injections. So this is a 9.6 lidocaine cream. And just gonna apply it to the injection area here. Now, Now I found that I didn't put enough on the first time because I really felt the injections going in, and I've watched other videos using Miracle L. So I know that there is some stinging involved because there's no lidocaine in it, but I was still a little unprepared for how much it stung. All right, so then what I'm gonna do, because I don't have any saran wrap, I have baking sheets. Not that I even bake, but they're around. And I'm just going to put this on top to prevent the lidocaine cream from evaporating. And I find when I put it on like this and I cover it, it helps numb the area more. Okay, we're gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes. That was rough. And I would say if you don't have a high pain threshold for like self-inflicted pain, like a total masochist, even though I don't consider myself to be one, I would opt for a dermal stamp or like a meso pen to try this treatment. In fact, that's exactly what I'm going to do the next time. Is I'm going to try this with a 5-pin meso pen, because this was really awkward and very painful and very slow. So it definitely felt like some form of medieval torture. And we'll have to see how the results are. I mean, I need threads. Well, those will be coming in about a month, but I even think doing threads would be less painful than what I just did. So I actually had a little bit of the Miracle L serum left over in the bottom of the vial. So I put it in my Dermastamp, the same one that I used for my Botox facial. And I'm gonna test this on a different part of my face and see if there's any better result. Actually, probably a good idea to lean back while you're doing this. Certainly a lot less painful, And I'm kind of hoping that that's a similar result that I get when I'm trying to do this again with the Meso pen.